Hey everybody, here's an expensive mistake that almost all homeowners make. Whenever they change their air filter, that's all they do to their air conditioner. They never add any drain cleaner down their drain to keep it from stopping up. When your drain stops up, you get a lot of problems. You can make drain cleaner so simple. You can either make a 50% solution with vinegar, plain white vinegar, half and half, or you can take what I did, make a 10-to-1 solution with bleach. This is your common household bleach, sodium hypochlorite. You just have a quart of water and you add 6 tablespoons of bleach, which gives you approximately a 10-to-1 solution. And then you're going to pour it down your drain whenever you change your filter. Let it sit. I would let it sit for a half an hour. Now I'm going to have to get a different cup. Let that sit for half an hour and come back and add some water behind it. I also recommend everybody getting a little water alarm. These have an enormous sound whenever they get any water. You can put this down in below the air conditioner. I gave some to my neighbor upstairs. Also, these are very handy. If you do have a clog in your air conditioning pipe for your drain or your sink or your tub, this is very handy. It's only a few dollars. I'll leave a link to them on Amazon. But you can also make something like this out of like a packing strap. When they wrap packages or boxes with the very thick plastic wrapping, you can get a couple of them and glue them together, and you can make something to snake down your drain. So making a solution to periodically clean out your drains is going to save you a lot of problems, because if you get water backed up, you're going to get mold and mildew, plus all the water is going to go on the floor and mess up your tile and your rugs and your furniture and your neighbors and everything. So also it makes the air conditioner work a lot more because there's so much more moisture and it's not cooling efficiently. It also can damage your air conditioner too. And it's such a simple fix. So whenever you change your air filter, this is a 14 by 18. I asked somebody at the hardware store if they had an 18 by 14. And they said, no, they only had 14 by 18. I said, isn't that the same thing? They said, no. So I didn't argue. I just got out of there. All right, guys. Good to go. Hope it helps. Take care. See you out there.